Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2017 Volkswagen Passat. This vehicle has a red exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, and let's come around to the back. See the Volkswagen and Passat badging. Trunk back here, which is full of all kinds of stuff here. We got some new all-weather mats here for you. Take a look at our rear seats. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And let's take a look at the driver's side. Driver door controls. Driver's seat controls. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop in. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 61,139. And we have a push button ignition. See our Volkswagen display here, radio, and backup camera. Below that we have climate control. So we do have heated seats, both driver and passenger side. And shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, visit our website, feldmannimports.com.